Hey, I'm Drew with 411 Marine Recreational. Our website is easyloadertrailers.com. I wanted to make a video today on how to check your bearings. So we have our trailer here set up. It's already lifted. Check out our other video that we just did on where to place the jack for your trailer. There's no boat on here. You can work with your boat. So we have the jack under the trailer lifted a little bit so we can rotate our tire. We're going to be looking to see how we're doing inside our hubs. It's a newer trailer. Easy Loader recommends to actually pull your hubs apart, change the oil, and do a full maintenance every 5 years. I think that might be a little bit too much. We recommend like 2 years. It really depends on what you're doing with your trailer, how far you're going. If you're doing interstate trailering, do it more often. If you're the guy that's only going a mile to your boat ramp, launching it for the season, pulling it back out of the water at the end of the year, you're probably good with 5 years. So we just do this once a season just to make sure that everything's good inside the hub from the outside. We're not going to be able to get to the inside of the hub unless we pull it all apart to see what's actually happening. So this just gives us a little bit of peace of mind before we go out on that trip. So we have our trailer jacked up, we're spinning free. We're going to rock side to side. So I'm trying to pull the tire side to side, see if there's any wiggle room. And this one feels good. We're also spinning it. It's supposed to be spinning smooth. You're listening into it. There's no grinding sound or feeling for pits in the bearings. And everything is looking good. And now's a great time to make sure that you have enough air in your tires. On the tag at the front of the trailer, there's a recommendation for air pressures. Torquing down your wheel hubs at this time, that's a great opportunity. On the galvanized rims, it's 85 foot-pounds of torque. On the black aluminum rims, it's 90 to 120 pounds of foot-pounds of torque. And that way we can just ensure everything's ready to go. These are oil bath hubs. We're looking at the oil. If we see it milky, we're probably getting water intrusion inside the hub. We need to address that. But this hub is looking good. It's not milky. It's right at the oil level where it's supposed to be. There's a little logo on the cap. It's to the top of that logo. So I think we're good, and we're gonna take her out and get on the water.